I just wanted to stress how important it is to have proper grounding for your antenna, your equipment, and also to have the proper power supply. This is in the middle of the daytime, and this is all the static I have now. At times it would get up to 3, 5, even 7. It would come and go. With proper grounding and a proper power supply, it's totally got rid of everything. So it's real important. I'm real happy to have such a low noise floor now. Pretty incredible. Alright, man. Thank you for watching. Check them power supplies. Make sure to get a good one.